How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed on any Android phone and also on iOS. So all what you have to do guys is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do is scroll down and go to the settings page, and now choose apps. And now all what you have to do is go to apps manager, and then all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just wait a few seconds and now scroll down until you find the Instagram here. And after you find it, all what you have to do is just click on it, for example like this, and then click on this storage option. Click on clear data and clear cache, and go back and click on force stop. And after that, all what you have to do is open Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.